This unusual organism without a brain solves logical tasks. Mushrooms are not plants. Mushroom cells have chitin, like animals, and mycelium has more similarities not with the roots of plants, but with the nerve and muscle cells of animals. Each string of mycelium is a separate huge multicore cell. In the living world, only whale nerve cells are longer than mycelium cells. There is such a mushroom in nature, Fusarium polycephalum. It seems like ordinary filamentous mold, remarkable except for its rapid growth, but scientists thought of putting it in a maze, in the center of which they laid food. It turned out that the Fusarium grows to food along the shortest route, a property that not every person in the maze will show. Moreover, if a piece of mycelium of the same fungus is placed in the same labyrinth, it first, just in case, grows to the place where in the previous experiment there was food. It turns out he remembers. It turns out, yes. The fungus parasite cordyceps is one-sided, a terrible scourge of tropical woodcarp ants. When his spore enters the ant, it sprouts a mycelium. The mushroom picker eats the digestive system and muscles of the insect, but it does not touch the nervous system. It is just beginning to change behavior. The ant sprouted by this mushroom turns into a zombie. He ceases to communicate, does not participate in the affairs of the anthill, and then completely leaves the colony. Climbs onto a leaf and clings with all his might to its lower surface. Once he has done this, the fungus eats up his nervous system and begins to form a fruiting body growing from the ant's head. New spores are pouring from this fruiting body. The oldest living organism is considered to be a colony of honey mushrooms in a mountain valley in Oregon. It occupies the entire valley, almost 9 square kilometers, and weighs, according to calculations, up to 600 tons. The exact age of the colony is unknown, but can reach from 2,400 to 11,000 years.